Welcome to Erin's Design with Wine. I'm Erin Conover Murray, and today we are in the home of Brian and Jenny Harves, and I cannot wait to show you this beautiful kitchen remodel. Breakfast area because it's gorgeous even in demolition. They have oodles of windows here, and I love the details of a good window treatment. So we are going to add some Roman shades, and we're starting to consider some beautiful fabrics and trim. This is just going to frame their view. We're not going to cover it up, so don't worry. This is a big spot right here for a big change, big remodel reveal. They are going to open up this space. It's going to be able to be seen from the foyer and all the way down to the steps leading to the basement. This is something that a lot of people would not really consider this a priority in their kitchen remodel, but this is going to be a detail that's going to change the feel of their entire first floor. I think it's really exciting when clients understand the importance of the entire flow of the house, and this is an opportunity to do it now. You don't do it when you're remodeling your kitchen, you're probably not going to come back to it. So I'm so excited to show you this before window, because the next time you see this, it is going to grow exponentially. I didn't realize this until we did the elevations and the plans. You find out so many details to your design when you really start to explore everything with a fine-tooth comb. We had to actually lose some cabinets to gain some window and some view. And a lot of people would think that it's not worth it, but these clients understood the end goal. And once I show you the after, you'll understand it too. I'm so excited about this little spot back here because this is going to be this gorgeous pass-through. And the reason why I'm excited is because we have Cincinnati's best electrician on this job, and this space is going to be magnificent. I spend oodles of time on my plans working out the lighting details, and this guy and I have worked together for over 15 years. He's going to be the guy to make this dream up here come to reality. So I feel like one really lucky designer because my clients are using Rookwood tile in this backsplash right here over the range. Rookwood Tile is a tile company in Cincinnati, Ohio, and they are customizing these tiles for us. We got to choose the color, we got to choose the glaze, and we got to choose the design. So the next time you see this, you're gonna see one amazing little piece of Rookwood tile. I love the way that this kitchen turned out, and one of the most special moments in this kitchen is this right here. This is Rookwood Pottery, and it is a Cincinnati Legacy. This is handcrafted tile. I'm so excited about the way it turned out. The reason why we decided to use Rookwood tile is because Brian and Jenny Harves actually love going to local microbreweries. At their favorite microbrews, they buy a mug made from Rookwood Pottery. So they already had a big Rookwood Pottery collection. They've got some up there, and over there, and over there. So this just created this holistic design approach, and I love it. So this spot used to be really dark and dreary. I'm standing here in the spot where the Sub-Zero refrigerator used to be. We opened up this area, created a whole pass-through to the dining room, and now this can serve as a buffet. It can act as storage for the Rookwood Pottery collection. And more importantly, it opens up so much light from the front of the house and just lets the kitchen feel happy. These pendants are from Visual Comfort. They just crown this island and look absolutely classic. They are hung up pretty high because when you're entertaining, you still want to be able to talk to everybody without having a light in the middle. They also have this beautiful globe which softens everything so you don't feel like there's a glare in your eye as you're talking. It's just awesome. If you haven't shopped for a kitchen sink in a while, you will be amazed at everything that a sink can do for you. This one is from LK, and it has a built-in and removable butcher block cutting board. You can sit there and prep right in your sink and put everything down the disposal. So it's a one-stop prep shop. There's also a drain board so you can still hand wash dishes. And then there's a produce basket so you can rinse your produce. All right there. We also added a hot water dispenser because the homeowner likes to drink tea. And then we crowned it with this gorgeous sink faucet. It's so nice. Beautiful little gold statement right in the middle of the kitchen. This is the ultimate form and function spot. This is the family command center and mudroom. When they come in from the garage, they have these drawers here that have the Renovation family command center USB ports and outlets so they can put iPads and phones right in there, charge them, and keep them out of sight. We have these gorgeous shoe shelves, shoe drawers actually, walnut drawers, and they house all of the shoes. So everything stays neat and tidy in this mudroom.
I know it's hard. It's hard to pick. We love the cabinetry. We love the counters. Honestly, I would say being able to look into the dining room is probably my personal favorite because it takes the kitchen and kind of makes it two rooms at once. Incorporating the cabinetry is part of that. So it looks like it's another cabinet that's part of the kitchen. To me, that was a really special design that you added.
Is there anything that you were surprised about during the remodel or when the remodel was finished that you weren't expecting but ended up being a positive or even a negative?
I feel like we had every detail planned to to the nth degree, so we knew how everything was going to look. I think I was surprised at how much I would like everything being in the island. We have the dishwasher, we have trash can, we have the sink all right here, and in our previous design they were scattered. And I was surprised at how well I like having everything all together.
The reason why I love my job so much is because I can actually help families become happier at home. So please like and subscribe to see more before and after transformations, and cheers to being happier at home.